In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a ClickSense script. First off, to manage anything in ClickSense, you'll need to have access to the platform. So let's begin by navigating to Qlik's homepage. You can do this by typing www.qlik.com in your web browser's address bar. This is your starting point where you can explore the vast capabilities of ClickSense, but for now our focus is on accessing your scripts. Once you're on the Qlik homepage, your next step is to log in to your account. This might seem straightforward, but remember, the login button is your gateway to personalized content, including the Qlik apps and scripts you've been working on. So go ahead and click on the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking on login, you'll see an option for Qlik Cloud. This is where all the magic happens. Qlik Cloud is the home of ClickSense, among other services, and this is where your analytics apps live. So naturally you'll want to click on Qlik Cloud to proceed. Now it's time for some credentials. To gain access to your apps and scripts, you'll be prompted to enter your email. It's crucial to use the email associated with your Qlik account to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email, you will then need to input your password. These steps ensure that your scripts and data remain secure while providing you access to your work. Having input your login details, the next step is to click on Login. It's a simple click, but it opens the door to your Qlik environment where your apps and data scripts are housed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Qlik Cloud home. This is your dashboard, a centralized place where you can access everything Qlik has to offer, including your analytics apps. From here, you'll want to navigate to the ClickSense app. This might take a bit of scrolling or navigating through the interface, but once you find it, go ahead and click on your ClickSense app. Within your ClickSense app, you'll find an accumulation of your analytics projects. Your goal here is to locate the specific analytics app that contains the script you wish to export. Once you identify the right analytics app, click on it to delve deeper into its contents. After clicking on your chosen analytics app, your next destination is the data load editor. This is where all your script magic is held. Your scripts tell ClickSense how to transform, compute, and visualize your data. So, to get to your script, locate and click on the data load editor. Now here's the crucial part, exporting your script. Unfortunately, there's no direct export button for scripts in ClickSense. So what you'll do is manually copy the script. Once you're in the data load editor, you'll see your script displayed on the screen. Carefully select all the relevant script text. You can usually do this with a combination of mouse clicks or pressing Ctrl+A if you want to select all. Once highlighted, right click and select copy, or simply press Ctrl+C to copy the text. Now you'll need somewhere to paste and save your script. We recommend using Notepad or any other plain text editor for this purpose. Open your text editor, right click and select paste, or press Ctrl+V to paste the copied script. There you have it, your script is now successfully exported from ClickSense and securely saved in your text editor. To wrap up, saving your script outside of ClickSense can be beneficial for various reasons. Whether you're looking to share it with a colleague, save a backup, or simply review your logic outside the Qlik environment, exporting your script is a simple but valuable process. Today you've learned just how to do that, ensuring you're well on your way to becoming more proficient in managing your ClickSense apps and scripts. And that's it for today's tutorial. Remember, the key to mastering ClickSense is practice and exploration. So don't hesitate to dive deeper into what Qlik has to offer. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep analysing.